Alright, so I was gonna say discipline.
Discipline.
Like sometimes you can either slack off too much or you can study too hard. Like you do either one too much. So if you have a good balance, you can aim to be able to get everything done.
Do you feel like you're good at prioritizing your time?
I could be better.
Hands, show me hands. If y'all think y'all are good at prioritizing your time, raise your hand. So for the people who didn't raise your hands, what is the problem with you guys prioritizing your time? Go ahead. Procrastination?
I feel like it's a lot to do. Like if you're doing a lot of different things.
Internalizing it.
You telling yourself that's a lot, right? Why you telling yourself why you not telling yourself it's a little? It's only a little amount of stuff you got to do. Instead of telling yourself you got a lot to do, tell yourself you only got a little bit to do, right? That'll change your mindset. Go ahead.